Good morning, 8:48 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 11/18/2012. Happy Thanksgiving and happy Merry Christmas. We're at the end of the year, and we're just going to show one more called the SKF. It's a ProShares. It's an ultra-short financial bear fund. Congress doesn't do the right thing, we know what's going to happen. We go off the fiscal cliff. We've already talked ourselves to death about it. We know what the outcome is going to be. We knew that being short these markets, they've all corrected when Mr. Obama got elected. So this whole thing in Congress is they're going to try to get something done before year end. If they kick the can down the road, we're going to be watching in calendar 2013 and 14 what this SKF does. They've been out of favor. People have been buying the financial bulls, and they've been giving themselves the belief system that the financials will get better here in the USA. And maybe they can, but then if they don't, we're going to go higher here. The bottom line is, when I show you how high these things were just last year at $52, these things have big moves up. We have tax selling issues that people have been selling. We've had a major correction from a major 5.5-year bulls to bears. We're addressing every one of them. Every one will be addressed. That's very, very important. As why would I want to be paid with bear funds? Well, you get paid with bear funds when things fail. And when things fail and markets go down and people want to complain about markets going down, let them complain. As long as you're where the money's paying, who cares how much they complain? And who cares how much they sell down? We don't care. What we do care about is that you are on the right side of the trade. That's all we care about. And if the fiscal cliff comes into play and they don't get the resolution, I believe they got to do something. But nonetheless, growth is going to contract. That's why we're looking at these bears and getting them into our new website now, because in our old website we had all of them. But we're going to be updating it because we feel that you are worthy of understanding and or, most importantly, getting trained on how to trade these bear funds. And you can do that by signing up at stockmarketfunding.com. Here is the daily chart. We're breaking the major resistance. 200-day is up here. It's a ProShares Ultra Financial Fund. Once again, it's a high alert. We're going to be watching how the whole yearly basing pattern sets up here before either things break out much higher or lower, and how the fear indicators apply with them.